called sprinting with power. You can always sprint with a high stroke rate with a very small volume paddle blade and go fast. But one has a lot of power. That's what I mean. So the paradox is I can sprint at a high stroke rate with this paddle with 133 square inch than I can with a 9.5 at 124 square inch. Because it's a fact. If this boat was wider, no matter how light it is, it will be slower. It's harder to move a wider object through the water than a narrow one. This is physics. So even though there's more surface area, if you bury it deep, you got a lot of power of torque, but you can sprint at a high stroke rate. So this is why it's a speed multiplier, because it's a force multiplier. That's why in dragon boat racing, the paddles are very small surface, 106, but it's narrow, but it's deep. And that's go against the different concept of very short and wide, right? An extreme teardrop will become basically a basic, you can always make a paddle feel faster by just dropping the surface area. But you can't get away from that. The physics of how much water you can hold, how much pressure you can exert, and move the canoe. Aloha.